Today we are going to study some interesting topic and interesting information about data types, some ASCII values, constants and many more. So in previous lecture we have studied the history and some basic program, that is welcome to programming unit. Programming unit is our channel. So we will start our today's topic, data types. There are four types of data types: basic data type, qualified data type, derived data type and user data type. In that we use some common data types that are int, which is denoted by %d and which requires 2 byte in the memory block. Next is character, which is denoted by %c, which acquires 1 byte in the memory block. Float, it is denoted by %f and it has 4 bytes or required 4 byte. Then long int is %ld, which requires 4 byte. We will further see how to utilize these data types. I am going to introduce you in further lectures. Then moving on to ASCII value. So what is the full form of ASCII? So the full form of ASCII is given on the screen, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So we have some common ASCII value which we use regularly, that are for small a to z it is 97 to 122, capital A to z is 65 to 90, and for 0 to 9 numerical it is 48 to 57. Next, moving to the functions, that is library function. So in the previous lecture we have studied the header file, that is include studio.h. So this header file contains some by default library function, that is printf, scanf, clear screen, getch or return. Then printf, simply speaking, printf is a function that prints anything which is inside it. So mainly printf is used to display the content, and scanf is a function which is used to input some variable in the functions or in the program. Moving to the next, C support some special backslash, that are \n for new line, \a from alarm, \b for backspace and many more. Then types of constant. So there are various types of constant. For example, string constant. String constant is denoted by double quote. For example, boy, good or etc. Character constant. Character constant is a single character which is enclosed in a single quote. Then moving to next, integer constant. Integer constant is simply a number and it is not enclosed in any quote or double quote. Then moving to the next, real constant. Real constant consists of points or number. So the first line is the header part. The second line, int main, is a function in which we define our code. So printf, in which we have declared %d is equals to int type, that is our first data type, and on the place of %d we are taking a number constant, that is 1, and we are returning 0, and as our function type is int main. So let's see the output. So our output is 1 is equals to int type, as we have declared in the printf. Now we will see our next data type. So printf %c, that is character data type, character type, and we are taking constant as a. Also we can use /n for the new line as I have declared in the printf. So let's see the output. So we are getting a is equals to character type. How it is on the new line? How it gets on the new line due to the /n. If we remove the /n, we can't get our next output on the new line. So we can see here. So that's why new line is very important to getting a next point onto the next line. That's why we use /n. Next data type is float type. We are declaring here some point number. So we will get our output as. So 1 is an int type, a is a character type, and point value is a float type. So you get a clear idea about data types and their variables. In the next lecture, we will see the function, that is scanf function, how to enter the value, how to solve addition, subtractions, and all other functions.